Welcome to Binary Options Pro. Okay, right now what I'm doing is I'm doing a $10 account challenge, whereby I'm really focusing on trying to grow a $10 account to see how big I can be able to grow it, and I'll be able to share with you some of the strategies that we are using and some of the strategies that I'm using to do this when trading binary option. Right now, this account we started with $9. Right now we are at $25. Really looking to see how big we can go as you're continuing to nail down this strategy. So what I usually to trade is I usually trade binary options using pocket option, and in order for you to be able to get all these trainings and bonuses that I usually give, I'll be able to drop a link in the description below whereby you can register using Pocket Option and start training yourself using a demo account. The second platform that I usually use is known as TradingView, and TradingView is the center of information whereby I'm really able to get all the information and data of different currencies. So how do I trade? I'll be able to share with you how I usually take my trades. The first thing, I'll come to Pocket Option, click on the currency section and take a look at the currencies. Always remember, don't trade OTC. I will take, for example, at the currency that has the very high payout, and this is Euro USD. So what I'm going to be doing is the one that had a very good payout was CAD JPY. So I selected CAD JPY, and I'm going to be sharing with you a few strategies that I use to crush it on CAD JPY, because as you can take a look at the closed trades, these are mostly CAD JPY trades. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're almost like 20 trades. So let's dive into the strategy. So what do I really look at? This was the initial setup when I was starting my trade. Okay. These are live charts. They are continuing to run, and this is where I really took the major trades. So if you can take a look at this is a 5 minutes time frame, and what is happening here is from the beginning to the end of this candle, it means that these are 5 minute candle that has closed. So this is 5 5 5 already, that is 15 5 20 25. Okay, so how was I able to take a look at this trade and set it up? So another good setup was actually this zone here, whereby we said the price will move down completely. So I'll give you the description and I'll give you the strategy that you can also use. I usually trade using this strategy. As you can see on my charts, you can see a lot of lines like this. So what do these lines mean? This is the support line, this is support, and this is resistance. So if you don't understand the support and resistance, I've already done a video explaining more on support and resistance, and also the strategy that I'm explaining to you here. So the things I usually look here is I usually look for double tops, okay, that are hitting the support level, and I usually look at double bottoms. So on today trades, this is some of the main things that I was really looking on my charts. So let's take a look at the double bottom. First, remember to have your double tops. Okay, first remember to have your charts in the 5 minutes time frame. So if you take a look at the 5 minutes time frame here, you're able to see double tops forming very clearly. So our first retest of our support level was this, the second retest was this, and the third retest was this. So this confirms a double top. So when you get a double top like this, it means that this price is definitely going to go down completely. So what was the other major level that you were thinking if price could get into this level, it will actually affect the price change? It is this level, because price came here, get into this level, came up again here, got into this level, and then broke this level and came down completely. So you can see the moment it broke this level, it was able to clarify and tell us that yes, this is on a downtrend completely. I will be moving on a downtrend, and what we are looking at is we are looking at selling and selling and selling and selling and selling. And that's why you can take a look at CAD JPY. All the trades I've taken is selling. So you can imagine if you had a huge account, for example, you had $100 here, and all these are $10 trades that you're taking. You can imagine what kind of profits you're making. This is not financial advice, by the way. I usually share my ideas and strategy. All right, you have the option to take these trades, the way I'm sharing with them, or not take these trades. This is really based on my opinion and my experience of trading binary options with the strategies that I'm sharing. So here's the thing. Let's get into this strategy and let me show you how it works. So I drew my first line, which was this line. Okay, actually, let me remove all the drawings and let's create the setups together. Okay, start charts. Let me remove all the drawings so that you can be able to understand exactly what is happening. So on CAD JPY, this is how the setup looks like on the 5 minutes time frame. Sometimes you can just go to the 15 minutes time frame to really be able to just get a gist of it so that you can really be able to draw your levels perfectly. So I'll be able to take my first level, which will be this zone here. I will also be able to take my next zone, which will be this zone here. Okay, and then I'll be able to take my other zone, which will be this zone. So when you get into the 5 minutes time frame, you'll be able to just delete some other zones, because on the 5 minutes time frame, for example, this one, you can actually push it up here. Okay, you can actually push it up here on the 5 minutes time frame, and then you can actually just remain, you can just let this one to remain here. So let's actually look at the double tops and the double bottoms. So clearly for me, if you go down into the 1 minute time frame, you can really be able to see these things forming. Okay, you can just be able to see, take a look at the double tops and the double bottoms. So you can see this is our first touch here, this is our second touch, this is our third touch. So on the 5 minutes, it is more clear. Okay, you can see on the 5 minutes is actually very clear. You can see there is a touch here, there's a touch here, there's a touch here. So clearly this is a level that we are expecting price to actually. So before we enter this trade, this is what you are looking at. Okay, so we are looking at if price comes, it touches this level. Okay, whereby, let me show you, let me just click play. So price comes, gets there. Okay, price comes and touches that level. Let's go back a little bit again. So when price comes and touches this level, okay, when price forms this candle, it forms this candle and a red candle, you go to the 1 minute time frame and you're able to see on this zone what is exactly happening. Okay, so you can see already on this zone, it is already telling you that this price is actually pushing down completely. Okay, so the first entry can be on this zone here, on this level, whereby you're looking to sell, or the next entry can be when price comes down, breaks this level, breaks this zone here. When price does this, comes, break this level, you can look to sell. So let's take a look at what price does. Price comes, breaks the level. Okay, definitely you can see what has happened here. Price has come, it has retested this level, it has gone down. Price has come again, it is retesting this level. So you can see already here there is another double top that is forming. Top one, top two. Remember, you've already confirmed that we are on a downtrend. So If you get into a 2 minutes trade or 1 minute trade here, you're definitely into profit. Or 3 minutes. Take a look at that fall. Crazy fall, my friends. Crazy fall, my friends. Oh my. Look, that is a strategy that you're able to crush it on CAD JPY today. Go train yourself, practice yourself on that strategy because it is super, super, super amazing. And hey, if you want to learn more about these strategies, if you want to join me live, I usually post a lot on my Telegram group here. On my Telegram group here, I usually update people with signals. I usually uh, update people also with links of my classes. And man, it's all about taking action. When you're in this group, always make sure you're attentive. Most of the time, I usually get into my trainings at 8. I drop all the valuable materials that I'm actually using to trade binary options and even Forex here. Let's meet on the next video. I'll actually recommend to you my YouTube channel. All I want you to do is just come on my YouTube channel, by the way, and the video that I've told you to watch is the support and resistance video that I actually recorded here, and I really explained it in depth. Let me show you. Break and retest strategy. Just watch this break and retest strategy. Okay. The second video will be the only price action video you need before trading binary options. Also watch that video. I've also dropped a video of the support and resistance here. This video, support and resistance trading binary options. Also watch this video to really be able to understand how this plays along. You can see this went down completely, down completely. Okay, have a nice time. Always remember to trade like a pro, and let's meet on our next video.